Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya Mandave and I am from Bharati Vidyapit's College of Engineering for Women. So I am going to explain a project. My project name is Virtual Quiz using OpenCV. In this, it will import the questions using a CSV file and then use hand in the air to answer those questions. So first we will see the project demonstration and then we will explain the code. So this is the output file in which this is the question that is being displayed on the screen. Then these are the four options in which we have to choose the correct option or the answer that we think it is right for the question. And this is the progress bar in which this progress bar will be go to 100% when all the questions are completed. So it will detect my hand, and when I will do this, like from index finger and middle finger, the distance will become less than 60, then it will be taken as an answer. So we will go to the answer and do this, so it will check the answer. Then we will do this, it will take to the answer. Then we will do this for the next question and the quiz is completed. So the quiz, it will display the quiz is completed and your score is 60%. So out of the 5 questions I have scored 60 and the progress bar is 100. That means we have completed the whole quiz. So we will see the code now. So here I have inputted the libraries that are needed for this project. So the first library that I have imported is CV2 library. This is the OpenCV package used to solve the computer vision problems. Then this I have imported the CSV library which is used for the CSV file to be imported into the program. Then the CSV file is required as we have stored all our questions that we display in the quiz in the CSV file. So this is the quiz.csv file in which the first line is how the data is stored. Like the first is the question, after that comma, then it is the choice 1. Then after a comma, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4, and at last the answer is stored. So this is the question. First question, which of the following is not a type of constructor? So this is the question, and after this comma, the first option is copy, second option is friend, third option is default, fourth is parameterized, and the answer is 2. The 2 means the second option, which is friend. So friend is the correct option for this question, and so on for all these 5 questions. I have 5 questions in my file. So this is how this will be imported through the CSV library. Then comes the then I have imported CV zone. So CV zone is a CV package that makes us easy to run hand detection, face detection, AI functions as well. So at the core it uses the OpenCV and the MediaPipe libraries. This then the hand detector is used to basically detect the hand on the screen using the camera. Then then I have imported the time function, time library to give the time lapse for the question after selecting the answer. Then I have created the class which is named as question. So this class has 2 functions. First function is the init function and the second function is the update function. In the init function, I have initialized all the data from the CSV file, that is the question, choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4 and the answer. And if the user have not selected any answer, then the answer will be none. And the second function is the update function which will choose the answer and save the answer and go to the next question. So this is why we have done this initialize function and the update function. Now hand detection function is used to detect the hand on the screen. Then comes the video capture. Video capture is used to capture our image through the webcam on the screen. Then it will adjust the size of the image, so in how much window or frame our output should be, it is given through this function, that is the cap.set function. Then the path of this RCSV file is given through the path, and with the open function we have opened the file and saved it as F. So through the reader function we will read all the file, that is the CSV file. Then all the data in the CSV file will be stored in the data all variable, which through which it will start from first, that is from this line. So which from this question, in first line we have stored the data which is used, what actually the data is stored in this file. So it will start from this and end and it will go till the end. And in the question list, so basically this is used to create the object for the each MCQ. So this question list will save all the list of the questions. It will start from the first question and it will go to the last question, that is here length of the question. We will get to know which is the last question through calculating the length of that question. And if we have found the image, that is if our camera is on and we have find out the image that is been displayed on a screen, then we will read the image and we will take the through the CV2 library, we will take the hand. Flip function is used to flip between the hands, like we have to see right hand on the right side, it should not give the mirror image, so we will save this. Then through find hands we will find out our hands and capture it. Then in this question list we have saved the questions. So in quest, the first question, that is at the 0th position, will be saved, and if it will be done till the last question. So whenever the last question comes, it will stop and go to the quiz completed. So this is how it will be displayed on the screen. So B box, here B box is the bounding box which is used to bound the text that we have put in that question, or options of the question in a single box. So we have used this B box variable. Then put text rectangle. So put text rectangle is basically used to put the rectangle around the text, and these are the arguments that we are giving for that. It will follow for all the choices, like choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, as well as question. And if the hand is detected, then the LM list, that is the landmark list. So basically the landmark list is used to get the points of the first index, points of the tip of the index finger and tip of the middle finger. So we will get the tips through this LM list, that is landmark list, and it will assign. Then we will find the distance between the both tips, like the distance between tip of index finger and the tip of middle finger. And if the length between both of that is less than 60, then the answer will be selected. So we will update the next question to the next question, and the user answer will be saved. And this is uh, this will save the user answer. And if the quiz dot user answer, so the user answer is none, then it will sleep for 0.4 seconds, and question number next question number will be selected. If the answer is correct, then it will add +1 to the answer, and if answer is wrong, it will keep it as it is. So this is the formula which is used to get the score. So the formula is score divided by total quest into 100. So this will give us the formula, and as we have discussed earlier, this will give the rectangle to the text. So in this rectangle, it will print the quiz is completed, and the next rectangle, it will display the score that you have got through giving the quiz. So this score will be displayed in the rectangle as well. And the last section is for the bar value, that is the progress bar that we have displayed on our screen. So this is the formula for the progress bar which will be displayed on our screen, and it is also given in the rectangle. So it will be updated after every question is completed, and at last it will be 100% done. And I am show method will show the image on our screen. Image is the output that we get on our screen. So this is the code, and here my presentation ends. Thank you.